Ni siya matalutong naman mataga ni kuha ni Bola Benak.
Look outside.
Yeah.
Long time we see the sunlight.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sunlight, for being part of this morning.
Yeah.
It's a 4th of December.
Very bright.
4th of December, it's 7:34 now. Thank you very much for your love. And also to the people around there.
Right.
Students, they are looking forward for this is the last week
All right.
of the academic year.
Right.
Thank you very much for being listening to your teachers.
Okay.
To the parents.
Right.
And also so the loved ones.
Yeah.
The younger ones, the junior, the senior,
Okay.
and everybody in the school surrounding.
Yeah.
For your love and for your compassionate.
Ano na bikimin na bekanta bikimin na sebut-sebut di hotel di Bulang Isar Kedua.
Alright.
Banda sa separat bulu benak mana Tambo Housing.
Turun na.
Razak Road.
Alright.
Bulu benak may Bitongo, may Matawalu. Bikimin na bekanta ling di Karabian na Tropic Woods.
Right.
Yeah.
Mana City Nisuka. Di tamu tu biasa na mga turang tirga pa na nonton benua.
Ni Bola.
Bisa lagi karabi tapi tu na sa separat kita ban rabi kita bagcini bikimin ni.
Doon naman
And
ka.
bugu di nonton. Ouch Palangi Show.
Right.
Good morning to John Turangambedi. Karua, this is one of our Karua from Australia.
Wow.
Lismo.
Oh,
Lismo
okay.
in Australia.
Right.
So Karua want to eat the scorpion.
Oh.
Nadam ko naman na.
Oh, that's copy.
Yeah.
What is the manay in English?
Mana
Iya.
Yeah.
is under the sea level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
I don't know.
underground grader. It's the
Huh?
underground grader.
Yeah, underground grader.
Right.
Kan mana sarang wa?
Yeah. When we talk about the
Scorpion na
mana,
robe pala.
Yeah.
when we talk about the underground grader,
Right.
he was there in Australia. He was memorized in the brain.
Yeah.
I want to eat this.
Okay.
Yeah.
When I come for the Christmas,
Okay.
these are only ingredient.
Right.
The
Yeah.
only buffet I need.
Okay.
Oi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
the
Okay.
underground.
Right.
The
Right.
Scorpion
right.
King.
Okay.
Bila niya ang bola naka. Dito na enrole mo bola naka.
Kapan ni pita na enroll mo so?
John Kumar.
Iyo.
Bola naka.
October,
Barabay. Barabay.
So.
This morning.
Merwale si Teresia mula mana kan ramena ke bikin dona turanga siya masar kumai all the way from Olosarra
Ho.
in Singa Tokyo.
Ha.
Yeah.
Bola naka to the driver, the one and only driver.
Okay.
Who joining every morning, every afternoon,
Alright.
every lunchtime,
Yeah.
every AM,
Right.
every noon.
Alright.
To the driver from Sabu Sabu.
Hey.
Oi.
Lemeki,
Oi.
Lemiao. This is only
Atak
driver.
Mitun.
Mitun 2 is a black gas taxi.
Yeah.
And
Black-
also
black gas.
GS
Yeah.
021
Yeah.
Kenan Revo Poli.
Right.
Stampe Zero.
Yeah.
Singa Seuda.
Yeah.
Loma Situmba. Grabe nga.
Operation on nga.
May papilo ni go.
Iyo.
Kona
Oi.
Onoy Law Base.
Yawa.
Oh!
Coolman Danatu.
Who?
Sama satu Coolman Danatu.
Ha?
Thank you so much for tuning all the way from Babylon.
Yeah.
In the Onoy Law House
Yeah.
in Nandera.
They got one song.
Oh, one song.
On a lang siguro we can tell. They got one song too.
Yeah.
It's written here from our grandma Alice Faulata.
Alright.
They tuning every morning.
Okay.
Right.
Boleh tunggu ba norto ba namuka?
Yeah.
Arto to barang si omay namatay walo ni imbong-imbongi. May
Yeah.
ono ilaw.
Right.
Rato ereto nga mertong ganda numero to na lala yan arto lang na bola sing kabisela kerto sere.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the squad.
Right,
Where they tuning from?
From Babylon. Yeah.
Come.
Goma Babylon and Onoy Law base.
Yeah.
Don't bula minaga Coolman Danatu.
Ha.
Tuning all the way from Babylon.
Who okay.
Why sila sekula ramina ka may nanoko may namosa and tols giodrabu
Yeah.
Rasia from Sekaka.
Yeah.
Sherry ulin Nambo tuning all the way from Moloku Muala in Lau and also Mbania Ramu Ratu Maitamuki
Yeah.
from Nambuan Rao.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Okay, wikim ro naturangan ni
Yeah.
kuha to bitalota karena sui niang ngota.
Okay.
Mana ka madalaki kita mo motor na kan ko niraparo cuma na kenan tau.
Okay.
Oir na bunuh ya rabulita.
Yeah.
Yang kok kanga di bakatan besi kan ouch Palangi Show.
Right.
The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones.
Trues up.
Which are classified.
Trues up.
Kaya wasi baga lima,
Gori.
classified into 5 types.
Okay.
Etikon na kianra was based on their shapes
Right.
and function. Na kianra imbuli-buli,
Don't even
wata kaya na itabi arang garapa. Demesi. Roda ba matata ka mandana long bones. Okay, long bones may buki ko nga.
All right.
Na description go, longer than they are wide,
Yeah.
designed for support and movement.
Right.
Roda ba matata ka mandana chiki na long bones.
Longbone is a Longbone is a family member of one rugby player. Is long bottom.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Where
So,
does it run?
when you see the long bone,
Yeah.
the long bone you
Right.
can see on the arms.
Right, got
Okay.
it. Right.
Okay. Before you throw your hands,
They
in
are
something-
wide,
They are
designed
wide.
for support and movement.
Yeah.
Right, long bones.
Long bone.
Yeah.
It's in the half of the equator
Right.
of your body.
Right.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
can see on your hand.
Okay.
Right.
Underneath, you
Yeah.
can see on your leg. That's
Ananabu.
what we call a long bone.
Ananabu.
Some use for karate. Don't. Some use for jobbing.
Yeah.
But it's very helpful when
Yeah.
you are running away
Yeah.
from any participant.
The backbone?
The backbone
Yeah.
is a long bone.
The backbone is made up of a group of small bone to make it a long bone. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Truce.
Cukup, ano? Okay.
Yeah.
Now short bones.
Yeah.
Then can a description go?
Yeah.
Nearly equal in length and width, provides stability and some movement.
Short bone.
Yeah.
Before the earth was being
Created.
promoted,
Yeah.
was being created.
Yeah.
The short bone.
Yeah.
Before the ancestor was arrived,
Yeah, right.
they used the small bone.
Yeah.
Small bone.
Yeah.
Short bone.
Yeah.
For spear.
All right.
Yeah.
Mendo yamin yun remoto.
Right.
They use for dagger.
Yeah.
Okay.
They use it to replace a knife.
All right.
Yeah.
They used to cut coconut.
Doon naka.
Iyo.
Sunbone.
Short bone.
Yeah.
They used to spear fish.
All right.
Yeah.
They used to
Yeah.
for their house.
Ano, totoka.
Doon naka.
Okay. Dotela na waso sinisuya na ngonda na tamata sa ni Dems na
Yeah.
flat bones.
Flat bones.
Description go thin,
Yeah.
flat and often curved,
Mamare.
provide protection for internal organs
Right.
and a surface for muscle attachment.
Yeah.
Pamatal tangaman.
Muscle arts.
Flat bone.
The flat bone.
Yeah.
Touch your nose.
Yeah.
Right?
That is a flat bone.
Okay.
When you go to the sea,
Yeah.
you see the bay.
Yeah.
Right.
Ano ba tayo palang?
The
Vice.
octopus.
Octopus na walu. When you see the bay, when you bite the bay,
Yeah.
you can almost eat almost the bay because of their bone.
Yeah.
It's very soft.
Yeah.
It's very ngurung-nguruta.
Yeah.
Right.
So
right.
this is a family
Yeah.
of the flat bone.
Oh, na. Totoka.
Karam-rama.
Okay.
Come.
Dotela go na irregular bones. Description go complex shapes
Yeah.
that do not fit into other categories.
Yeah.
Often serve specialized purposes.
Kwa rin mo ka.
Regular bone
Para ko hindi bina.
is
Parang di pinagay sa
regular bone is coming.
Where? If you don't know to say it.
It's between the stomach
Yeah.
and the cholesterol. Boleh bilang ke Rex Cindama, boleh bilang ke si Mere Andombula.
Okay, ocho chini pamadala bika
Yeah, my.
na sesamoid bones.
Oh.
Small,
Gonna walk.
round bones embedded in tendons, reduce friction
Oh.
and protect tendons from stress.
Yeah.
He's a very strong fella.
Right.
Apa tanya?
Na sesamoid bones.
Sesamoid bone.
Yeah.
Okay, though he's a use for nangona sa bebeka kinandon no musui.
Yeah.
Right.
He's a friction.
Oy, bebe.
He's a joint.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hindi to ko, hindi.
It's coming from the joint that attaches.
Yeah.
When you sometimes
Yeah.
Subtract.
when you lose subtraction,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you use this friction. So nga makain Ronaldo niya ba mo?
Yeah.
Sena mo sinay siya man yang mo.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Use a massage. You use a 1 silo Michaele. For friction mo.
Massage pala.
Yeah.
Yeah. The place that you always go to massage.
Okay. Ocho singonitar. May songo te kita bitalo.
My.
If you happen to go to a massage parlor, there is.
No, like you've been there already.
Okay.
Okay.
Siya go taro to lang bato sirkila.
Yeah.
O si nun tukun na
Just
ka.
the one across the road.
Yeah. If you happen to visit a massage parlor maybe before Christmas,
Right.
Yeah.
which bone do you love to be your body to be
The
massaged?
front bone. The front bone. The bumper bone. Lawan ng baus. bites, quality product from Punjas Biscuit.
Boleh masih kah? Kata kita guna chopstick.
Kabuno.
Tuh. Najiga, non de Messi, backbone.
Hey, Nimale.
Boleh.
He love to massage the backbone.
Dah boleh besar mana ni?
Hey.
Kalau ngata boleh minta. Dau. Bukan.
Ya bikin nendo kata na bikai. Wasi bagali mana visu itu yang ngontak.
Saja na.
Asu yang ngontak. Wasi nan raitabi.
Iya.
Bata ken ralili we.
Right.
Pada ucus ni wasi ni suya. Come reduce na seswa na durunda.
Saja na.
Na metara na presa. Lingan ta vanta.
Right.
Ya wasar ngai rebuno. Iya, bikin na bunuai.
Dau mana kah?
Ini kita bayar dosen bikin ni na bibalim bulla di
Bulla,
sama
di bulla.
cuma
Mel nerdale wen rabinaka.
Right.
Kay na gumbul binaka. Asibro si Seru Kalo. Dombul. Tabale atumbul binaka.
Oh, ya benaka.
Dah boleh pilih senia.
Oh, entah pun anggur ya.
Iya. Kalau ngata boleh minta kani.
Sabi kyo na kan sa polo ito ni sing sudo na lonta may pinakatunga na sing sudo ko. Libo na kaya nang bulikin na lonta.
Iya.
So Andre na loman nang tamatu pale, puno ni takataka. Nabi songo din duilewana.
Right.
So pa kana posa na rongota. Kakun ya lay mendi chinga bi ko na singa ni sudo kene balim.
Dono mana?
Sige non tabi lomani.
Right.
Tanan numir na kanta resang di Rokasar ba pinakar
Di
chino
Lasar.
sa ni bali.
Di Lasar.
Kamata kana sukar, masima. Ento na sanga ni tombeka.
Right.
Tagi mo kasi ngaliw.
Gori.
Do di chino matagalay.
Dono mana
Oh,
ekstra.
kita pong butin na. Tama pa yose.
Bibig sarap ka
Ngayon na dolinga. Iko na maro, na ilo mo na maro ni singisu mo.
Alright.
Tama lamanda.
Iya.
Eh?
Na ito kani.
Eh, ano ba naka ko kurumundo?
Ya umikan galau bola.
Ngon